Here we go. Our learning target is I can use estimation to help me round. This is something that you're going to get to see us use in real life. I'm going to share something really quick. I didn't get to tell you, but we lost our football game on Friday, 34-6. And the score was 34-6. We could use estimation to solve what we could use estimation with that too. How many points were scored? We could say about 36. I need to find my screen here. What I love about estimating is this is such a real world skill. And I'm going to show you with a problem here if this ever comes up. Computer is thinking. Here we go. On Sunday, 463 people were at the lake. On Monday, 226 people were at the lake, and 312 were there on Tuesday. Estimate how many people in all were there at the lake. One way we can solve this is round to the nearest hundred. So when I look at 463, this tells me to round up to 500 because it's 5 or more. 226 is going to round down to 200 because of that 2. 312 is going to round down to 300 because of that 1. I add them together. 3 and 2 makes 5. 300 and 200 is 500, so it's 1,000. Now we could round also to the nearest 10 if we want to get a little more accurate. So 463 becomes 460 because this tells me to round down to 60. 226 rounds up to 230. 312, that tells me to round to 310. Notice the difference in the numbers we got, 500 versus 460 and so on. Now if I add these up, here's where it gets interesting. We get the same number. That's not always going to happen, but these are two ways that you can round. You can do to the nearest 100 or the nearest 10. My question for you is going to be which of these ways is going to give us a more accurate answer when we round to the nearest 10 or the nearest 100. So we could say that there were about 1,000 people at the lake. Were there exactly 1,000? No, but there was about 1,000. I'm going to show you now the page we will do in group. So you are going to make some changes. We are changing this to 200, and then you change this to 47, this to 53, and that to 58. So my smart board's not being very smart, so you can just cross off the 4 and make it 47. So we are changing this to 47, 53, and 58. Solve this problem on your own, and then we will discuss it at group.